This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 25 BHHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.